Po, magdi-design po kami ngayon ng aking kapatid.
I'm a legend, Thanos.
Say your name, full name. Say your name.
Alvin Janterias Jr.
Wow.
Is a man means me legend, Paul. Chachi is a fun of me, the people sour.
Thanos fan. Huwag ka muna mag-tablet. Mamaya na. Ha?
Señorita.
So guys, magagawa kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam what we gonna do. What we gonna do. Kunin mo. Ito daw yung gagawin namin. Hindi na to keychain guys. Dito na nakalagay yung mga sticker ko. Right, Bornok? Pwede niyo siyang tawagin Bornok.
Tick-tack-tack.
Right? Right, di ba?
Yes.
Ito.
Because I'm legend, Thanos.
So guys, ngayon, siya ay, what you gonna do in this? In here? In your drawing. You're gonna draw. Okay, kukuha lang po ako ng pencil para dito. Okay? Wait for a minute. You need, if I gone here, don't hold this ha. Bantayin niyo siya guys.
I'm a legend, Thanos. Because I'm a legend, Thanos.
Thanos fan.
Kung Fu, you're out! Let's go! Okay, I'm back. Bruh. I don't know what are you talking about. Giggity. No. Look here, guys. What the Sigma? Titanic! Nakikita nila.
Hello guys, I'm back. Pag sabihin niyo sa akin kung makulit siya, drawing ka na. If you're finished to draw, do like this ha, pakita mo sa kanila. Okay? Wait lang, kuha lang ako ng mga. Guys, akala niyo makulit siya pero hindi siya makulit. Parang ganyan lang talaga siya. Pero baka sabihin niyo special to ha. Hindi to special. Hindi to special. Special.
I played these games before! I said I played these games before.
Uy, ito. Mag-drawing ka na.
Oh.
If you're finished to draw, pakita mo sa camera ha. Guys ha, pag tinawanan niyo to talaga. Susuntukin ko kayo. So, tayo naman ata. Magdi-design. Kung nakita niyo yung pinagbibili-bili ko sa DIY.
Hi friends, welcome to this super
Ito yan. Sticker book. Tingnan niyo. Ah! Ganyan ni Julie.
Squid Game character.
Wow, yung guard. Ito daw yung guard niya.
Cute diba?
Yup. Usap ka ante na. Usap ka ante. Tayo naman. Tayo naman. Malok doon ka na, dito ka na lang. Madami pang space.
I know how to draw a mice.
Okay, mag-draw ka ng mice.
Draw a letter.
Mag-design tayo.
Draw number
1.
Draw number 7. Oh, what the? Plus. Number 2. Equal to equal. Number 3.
later, guys. Oh, eh. Napaka-OA niya to, oh. Wow, guys, naka-drawing siya ng mice. Yung mice ay daga. Baka hindi pa alam eh. Kakagising lang din namin. Ito yung mice. Ito. Ah! Mag-drawing ka pa. Later ka na mag-tab. No. Dito sa tab. Guys, sumasayaw siya. Ayaw niya lang pakita. Guys, pwede pa damihan ko po lang. Panoodin niyo daw siya. Ang cute eh. Ang cute niya, guys, no? Later, guys, mag-upload tayo na nagkakanta tayo. Yan, sumasayaw na siya. Happy na siya. Eh! Sumasayaw siya. Eh! Tapos na! Ang galing niya, guys. No! Guys, yung kapatid ko talaga talo.
Meron pa. Magsising na ako.
Dancer yan, guys.
N-A-T-H-D-I-R-E. Company will shock you and will hunt you in your tree. N-I-T-H-E-N-A-R-E. Until this is the battle, move the back is gonna be. And it keep 50. S-A-R-E, every night you and me. S-C-A-R-E, your friend Liberty. S-C-A-R-E, every night you and me. S-C-A-R-E, and your friend is make you sleep. But the Bob Chops, you give you rock your rock. He kill, lost for this. Which one you what not the case? Alistair's a lazy
Galing niya, guys,
He'll be
no?
waiting till he dies. And he can always simply say something and joke.
Yung mga proud po dyan, thank you.
Hey! I mean, Taking company. S-C-A-R-E, every night you and me. S-C-A-R-E, into energy. S-C-A-R-E, every night you and me. S-C-A-R-E, one more time you gotta begin. S-C-A-R-E, every night you and me. S-C-A-R-E, big mountain on the trees. S-C-A-R-E, every night you and me. S-C-A-R-E, every day make you scream. next.
Yay! Dito ka na, upo ka na dito.
That's M.I.O.E.
Okay guys, magsi-CR lang ako ah. Bantayin niyo to kung makulit.
I'm licking Thanos.
Hello guys, I'm back. Narinig ko siya parang nagsasalita. Tinawag niya kasi yung pinsan namin. So, okay guys. See, bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Kasama ko ulit ang aking kapatid. Nok. Ay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cause I'm licking Thanos.
What we gonna do tomorrow?
Video. Ulit.
Video. What we gonna do in the video? We gonna decide?
Do it again.
Okay. Okay, guys. Sinasarado niya na. Mabait talaga to, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.
The next season.